Hey everyone, it's your girl, Hey Planner Girl. Hey, today we are going to be going into my passion planner and I am going to be filling out a fresh start, and also we're going to do a little bit of a plan with me for my passion roadmap. So grab a snack, come on back. Most of this video will be like a voiceover. So yeah,
All
enjoy.
right, so we are going to turn to the roadmap, and I just decided to take some sticky notes and brainstorm some ideas. Some of these ideas, you guys, I have borrowed from people on YouTube and Instagram. I'm not too sure who they are. I'm so sorry I didn't keep track, but let's get with it. So the first thing I wrote down was like good health, happiness, buy a house, is lifetime goals, and to start a family. And also for lifetime is your savings. And you know, my husband and my father and my mom, they're all in banking, and just it's so important to have a joint account and your own personal account to always just add to it in case of emergencies. For my 3-year plan, I was thinking about, celebrating our anniversary, traveling with my husband, and that was very important to me. And just backing up, the buying the house, like right now we have a condo and it's so lovely, but I can't stand living with people. Like there's some crazy people around. So just buying a house, having our own privacy and things like that is so important. For my 1-year roadmap is just to continue to be healthy and fit, get to my goal weight. Being with my husband, I've just put on so much weight. We love food. He loves food. My YouTube, and to read 10 books. For 3 months, as you can see, I picked the wrong color and I'm just like, oh, this is it. And then it's like, nope, that's not the right color either. And then third try, I'm like, finally, I think this is the color. Yeah. So then I just overlapped it, and that's okay because working out is pretty important and one of my goals, so I think it just gives it a little bit dimension. Also, having 500 YouTube subs and reading the 10 pages a day, and water, and carrying my water bottle. I'm so sorry this is going super fast. I had no idea. So anyways, I'm going back into my passion planner and going through my phone, and then I just realized, okay, so now the goal is when you have a roadmap, you pick one goal out of the roadmap and then you make it into your game changer. So the game changer, I'm going to highlight in yellow, and then on the next side, I'm going to write it down. So my game changer is to be healthy and fit. And then my due date is like August 2020. So from there, I took these gorgeous purple markers and I first I made boxes. And I didn't zoom out on these boxes, but the first one is going to be intermittent fasting. And this is something that I am learning. It's giving my body a rest and it's helping so much, but also along with that is exercise. So 16:8 has been working, but I really want to move back into 18:6. I was doing 24 at one time, 20 to 4, but that was a little crazy. And then the exercising 3 or 4 times a week, doing 21-day fixed workouts at home if I don't go, and then with my body to meditate and to get some sleep. So the next one is a fresh start. This is something I never write in ever. So my fresh start, I'm going to be, my biggest goal is just working at a new school and just having that positive, fun vibe, being the coolest teacher. And what's going to motivate me the most is how crafty I am, how much I love, and God. And then some words of encouragement is that you are loved by God, and I know I'm loved by my husband. And
All right, everyone. So that was my little passion planner. Lots of gaps. I know. I had to really think about it. I was inspired a lot by some other YouTubers and some other videos and things I've seen on Instagram. But I really think my passion roadmap is pretty much all me. In terms of like the fresh start, I've never filled it out. Like I was looking at my old passion planner and I never filled it out. In terms of this, my passion roadmap, same thing. I never really gave it too much of attention, and this year I really want to. As you can see, I have been really working hard in my passion planner to do all the things that I wanted to do and change, and motivate myself to use this as a tool to, continue to have fun and be organized and things like that. But also, there's this whole section of a roadmap, and that's goals. And one thing I wanted to do is also have a gratitude. So I'm just going to write gratitude here. Gratitude in terms of like mind, body, and spirit. So yeah, what I did was basically, my big plan list. I have to fill out the dates. I'll probably just write, August 2020, 2023, and things like that. And my game changer is being fit, but I wanted to branch it out into really 3 goals that I know I can probably do, and that is the exercise component. I can try and do this. This one I find really hard, but the intermittent fasting I can do, and what helps me a lot is this app that I use. And then in terms of my body and my sleep and my mind and spirit is just having that gratitude, meditation, and just having that 8 hours of sleep is so key. So you guys, thanks so much for coming by. Thanks for watching my little plan with me. Please leave a comment, please like and subscribe, and leave me a message below about your roadmap and send me a link to your Instagram so I can check it out. Anyways, have a happy day. Bye.